One day I'm gonna have to remove his tongue. And it's already chipping. It just has to be done. I'm sorry. Sorry, Wolf. I love you. But I have to help you. Kinda looks like a duck. This is just how it's gonna open. It's gonna come up to here. It's not gonna be like this. I'm gonna put his tongue on. I was just filming what it looks like when it's all the way shut. But it's not gonna do this when it's finished. I also finished the paint for his mouth. And that's right here. So this is my face and skin paint. It's brown. And then the wolf mouth paint is this color, like a pinkish. So I'll paint the mouth, and this is already pretty painted, but there are a few pieces I need to put on. And then I will put the tongue back on,